Ayan na ang corn, oh. Kinain na ng kinain yung mga dahon, oh. So, let's check the corn. If it's can I harvest this now? It's dark already. Oh, okay. So, I think I can harvest this one here. So, yeah. So, now, guys, I'm harvesting the corn because it's dark color already. It's drying. So, it means you can harvest now. I thought it's not ready yet, but I keep checking inside. So it's okay because the deer keep coming back to the corn and keep eating it. So before it's finished by deer, so we have to harvest some. Yeah, I'm gonna harvest some, but I'm gonna leave the rest because the rest are not ready yet. This one, it's ready. It's dark. It's dried already. Isa makain pa ng makain ng mga demonyadong hayop. Kaya i-harvest ko na nga. Yeah, the deer. They eat it again, my peanuts. Oh my God. It just coming back the peanuts to life. And now, he eat it all. The peanuts. And here, some of my mung beans. See? That's area. It's vacant now. Pinunot ng hayop na deer ang ayan, no, pinutol na yung mga peanuts, so putol ang mga dahon. Ang dami pa namang bulaklak, oh. It's so many flowers, the peanuts. Now it's gone in here. Oh boy, hirap magtanim pag ganito. Dinidemonyo ng hayop. Ayan, hinarvest ko na yung iba. May tinira pa ako ilang piraso. Yeah, this is my harvest corn now. So instead of deer eat it, so at least we can taste our corn. How many pieces? 4, 6, 8, 10, 13 pieces. Look at what the deer did here. If it's not deer, I think it's the mabait or the packing. Oh, I'm gonna harvest this one. Because tomorrow I don't know if I can still see this. So I don't want to harvest this because I want my friend to harvest when they come here. But since the problem is come again, that they always come here, so at least I can taste my battle squash. It's too bad some of the fruit are gone because you know, yung mababait na hayop na mga walang dinadali. So now, this is my harvest for tonight. So we just came home. It's 8:30 at night. I have to harvest this before we sleep because I don't know what's gonna happen on midnight. The deer might come back and finish everything. So hopefully not. Oh Lord, please save my garden. I work hard for this. At least I have my corn. Wala, dinali na ng ng mabait ang aking mga kalabasa. Yung kabilang dulot, kinainan na ng mabait na deer. Ayan, yung aking kanina. Ito ang kinakain nila, yung dahon ng ng mga tanim kong corn. Saka ito, ang dami ng dinali, oh. Nalalagas na yung dito, oh. Binunot na. Walang talagang demonyong hayop na usa to, oh. Yung aking mani. Ayan, oh. Bunot. Diyos ko. Tampalasan talaga. Mga walang ya. Ayan, oh. Sinabsab yung bunga dito, oh. Wala na yung 3 bunga na maliliit. Inubos na. So here you go, the 2 battle squash, sexy squash, and the 13 pieces of corn I harvested from the garden. It's small because you know I didn't put a lot of fertilizer. I was always traveling, got busy, so that's my harvest for today.